What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Klover's bill tracking. Let's get straight into the video. So for setting up bill tracking, what you want to do is to log into your Klover account and then just click the bill or bill tracking tab. Now you want to link your biller accounts such as utility providers, credit card company, or loan services, and then just set up bill reminders to receive notification when bills are due. Now for tracking bills, you can use the first option is bill dashboard. So you can view a dashboard of all your bills, including due dates and amounts. You also have a bill reminder where you can receive reminders when bills are due to ensure timely payments. There's also bill payment tracking, and that helps you to track bill payments to ensure that they are processed correctly. And of course, you have bill history where you can view a history of past bills and payments. Now a couple of bill tracking features that are available. Of course, you have automatic bill detection. So Klover is going to automatically detect bills from linked accounts. There's also bill categorization that helps you to categorize bills by types, such as utilities, credit cards, or loans. There's also bill prioritization, and that helps you to prioritize bills by due dates or amounts to ensure timely payments. There's also bill payment scheduling, so you got to schedule bill payments in advance just to ensure timely payments. Now a couple of tips for using Klover's bill tracking. The first, of course, is to link all biller accounts. So you want to link all your biller accounts to ensure comprehensive bill tracking. You also want to set up reminders and notifications just so you can stay on top of bill payments and stuff. And then there's prioritize bills by due dates or amounts just to ensure timely payments. And you also want to regularly review your bill history to identify trends and areas that you need to make improvements on. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.